YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I will be getting my Demon Jeep out. I'm sure people in the comments are probably gonna be like, that's the dumbest thing ever. Aren't Jeeps known for like the death wobble and not driving right, and you're just gonna put a Demon motor in it and expect it to drive good? Yeah, there's a company in Michigan called America's Most Wanted 4x4, and they take a bone stock Jeep, completely gut it, frame and everything. The only thing that is stock on this Jeep is the shell of the car. Completely remodify the whole entire thing to basically make this thing drive like a race Jeep. Drives like a sports car. I can outrun just about anything on the road. It is very impressive at how they were able to do this. It's pushing 900 horsepower. It's one of the craziest vehicles on the road. Also, one of one. You will never see one of these on the road. You might see a Hellcat. There's people out there that swap, Hellcats into Jeeps sometimes when they want to get radical. But I can promise you, you probably have never seen a Demon swapped Jeep on the road. One thing though, the cats are blown on this Jeep. So it's a single pipe exhaust, and the problem with that is there's a lot of back pressure. And when there's a lot of back pressure, it causes your cats to blow. Well, my cats have been blown for a little while, and that's why I have not made a video on this car yet. But today I'm going to the exhaust shop to get that fixed. We are cutting the cats completely out. It'll be basically a straight pipe for now. I don't want to keep this full term or long term. The plan is to get a aftermarket exhaust and modify it to fit this Jeep, because there's not an exhaust out there that will fit this Jeep. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm going to bring y'all along with me. Go ahead and say this thing's cats are blown. It sounds awful right now. This is not what it's gonna sound like later. This thing's fun. I mean, I'm not gonna give it anything till
yeah, so what are we doing today?
Just basically going to this shop, and then so the plan is they're putting a Borla attack on this thing and modifying it, because the original plan was they're gonna have to completely configure an exhaust for this Jeep, because there's not an exhaust that will fit this Jeep out there. There's not even a Borla attack will fit. So we're taking it to this shop, and I have a Borla attack ordered, and they are going to modify it to fit my Jeep. But for the meantime, I'm straight piping this until that comes in, because the cats are blown on it, and I can't drive this if the cats are blown.
As we drive it?
As we're driving it. We're driving it there. I've got a guy that can tow it, but I'm like, just...
How far is the place?
Maybe 20 minutes.
She'll survive, probably.
Hopefully. Maybe. No, it'll be fine. This isn't the first time that this has happened.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm getting a whole new exhaust. The only thing that's right now is when the cats are blown, you lose a lot of power, a lot of torque, and
Gotcha.
it's not nearly as quick.
It's so crazy. I love hearing that whine.
Oh, you will never be in a vehicle that's louder than this vehicle. Whine-wise, like the supercharger on this is the loudest of any car I have, by far. I'm trying to think of which way I should go. No, I'll go left.
Straight.
Yeah, just go straight.
Bro.
Right. This thing will climb a tree, I will say.
I bet. On 42s?
Oh, yeah.
Sick. The red looks so nice.
Yeah, I was able to customize everything.
Oh, dude, it sounds like it's in here.
I know. It's that loud. The supercharger. The supercharger they put on this thing is massive.
I bet. How's it feel like driving this? 'Cause it's on
Oh my
huge
gosh,
tires and, like,
it's insane.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do it, but it drives like a sports car. Like I could race in this thing. It's that fast and it's that like, it's crazy.
That I want to.
You can do wheelies if it didn't have these bigger wheels.
Oh, I pop a wheelie. I've popped a wheelie before.
Nice.
With these on?
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, this thing will literally, like I said, it will climb a tree. If I drove into a tree, it'd climb it. Swear. The death wobble was like, basically you're driving and I could have like two hands on the steering wheel and your steering wheel's going.
Are you serious?
It's shaking and you can't stop it. Like you cannot control it.
You
And
need, like, slow down
your
or something.
wheels and tires are going like this underneath your tree. And it's it literally is like a problem that Jeep's had for forever. And that's why Jeep has been known for like the longest time of being one of the most unsafe vehicles. And it gets worse with more horsepower. And then this, no, this thing is probably the most powerful Jeep in the world, and it just drives like butter. What's fun about this is it's such a sleeper.
Mm-hmm.
You could look at this and this thing and be like, oh, that guy's got a huge Jeep.
Yeah.
But then when you hear it, it's like, what is that?
I mean, when I saw it for the first time, I was like, I immediately looked that up. I was like,
Mm.
what is this thing?
Yeah. Alan, how you doing? Mm-hmm. I'd probably get these for.
You like burnt tips? You want my tip?
Not good.
Alright, I'm done.
You wanted to, because the caps are blown on it right now.
This is what we did a while back.
A while back, yes sir.
Okay.
And y'all wanted to just straight pipe it, just for
Okay.
now until the
Yeah,
exhaust
yeah,
comes in. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, maybe just a few minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
God, are those tires turning? Barely fitting.
It barely fits on the rack. We're gonna take that thing up in the air, cut the cats out. Oh, I can't see this here. They're gonna cut the cats out, straight pipe it, and then I'll be back over here in like 2 weeks to get the Borla attack put on there. A modified Borla attack.
Nice.
Fully modified.
You have no clue?
So I reached out to them, America's Most Wanted, and I was like, hey, I'm looking to get a Borla attack, and they're partners with Magnaflow.
Okay.
So
They didn't like it.
I'm not sure that they may just not have liked the fact that I asked about Borla, but they were like, nah, Borla won't fit. That's all they said. So I haven't got it looked at. I'm not sure what would be in the way.
Let me just check it out.
You mean the Borla attack?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is a double. This is coming more on this side.
Mm-hmm.
That will not clear.
Yeah.
There's the first problem. So graduation sounds a little bit. This is the problem. What's wrong with this system right now?
cats just keep blowing, and it doesn't sound that. I mean, it sounds okay, but there's so much. There's.
What about your emission system? Is it tuned? You got it tuned?
I'm going to get it tuned because of the. You said something about the hollow cats.
Yeah. So just bring it to me. I'll handle that.
Okay. The problem is there's so much back pressure because of.
No, they need to go.
Mhm.
You just got supercharged on this?
Supercharged.
Yeah, they have to go. There's no way around it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm good with that.
Good with that.
Not good at all. Sounds good. Okay. Thanks, Alan. Yeah, we'll hang around. There's no room for an exhaust. None. No room. These shoes are cool. Did you customize it? Did you do that?
No.
Who did that? Nike did not do that.
Swear. They're called Paisleys. Paisley Nikes. Yeah.
Oh. I'm wearing the, I don't even know what these are.
The UGAs.
Viore. Oh, yeah, the UGA's training shoe. This is the actual team shoe.
Oh, for real?
Yep. This is what they use to train in. Shit. This thing is so loud.
Something on fire? What is that?
I think they're laying
Oh.
asphalt.
Whose fault?
Ass's fault.
Oh, okay.
I got pissed.
You got loud and aggressive, but you didn't get the clean cut one.
Yeah, it ain't nothing clean about this. The good news is I don't smell any fumes. No check engine light. I don't feel heat. So far, we're good.
Oh my
Goodness. Oh my
bro.
goodness.
Maybe you're right. Maybe it is a little too loud.
Might be a little too loud.
It is.
Maybe it is a little too loud.
Dude, that's intimidating.
I know. Just looks at you. Nice making it. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I just put the Jeep up, and yeah, as you can see, kind of unfortunate today. They told me that the exhaust I wanted wasn't necessarily going to work, regardless of what modifications were done to it. So I'm gonna have to figure something out, but something will be done because I will not be having a straight piped motor or demon swapped Jeep. That's not happening. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. I apologize for not posting in the last like 8 days. There's just so much going on in our country right now, and it's sad. It really is sad to see. But I just was taking these days to focus on myself, get closer to God. I hope y'all can bear with me. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one.